Alright, Facebook, here we are. A quick update on what's going on at this house here in Anaheim with this hemp floor. So, turn this thing around. Installation process is on its way. That room's still not done with the grinding part, but, you know, the other rooms are. Concrete's already cured. It's dried. Got our line going here. Got the glue. Take you guys down. So, this room's already good to go. This room's good to go. Got this room right here. Got our installers working on everything. And they're moving, so we'll see how it looks a little bit later and go from there. Again, this is a hemp floor, something we've never done before, so we're pretty interested to see how it's going to turn out. You know, but so far, so good. You know, looks great so far. The whole leveling at the concrete kind of did set us back, you know, at least half a day, maybe even a full day. So, you know, we still have our timeline and stuff like that. Gonna do the best we can to hit everything we can. You know, everybody have a great day.